the Hazel Nursery rhymes.
Miss Polly had a dolly.
Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with my bill, bill, bill.
Little Miss Muffet.
Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned him out, turned him out, turned him out. And so the teacher turned him out, but still he lingered near and waited patiently, 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 and waited patiently till Mary did appear. Mary had a little lamb, baby. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. If that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a carpet bowl. If that garden bowl turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. If that horse and cart falls down, you'll still be the sweetest baby in town. If that horse and cart falls down, you'd still be the sweetest baby in town.
Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack, your crown! Oh no! Up Jack got and home he ran as fast as he could caper. There his mother bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. What did you do, Jack?
I'm sorry.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Oh no, not again. My family. Welcome to my home. Let me introduce you to my family and pets. I have a beautiful family of 10. My pets are my favorite animal friends. She is my mom, beautiful and calm. When I am sick, she kisses my palm. He is my dad, strong and dear. When we are down, he brings us all cheer. Meet my brother Matt, our baby boy. He loves fruit salad and he loves his toys. This is my granddad with a big mustache. He takes us to the pool and we make a big splash. This is my granny, she loves to bake. Matt and I enjoy her chocolate cake. These are my pets, Katie and Bunny. Matt loves to play with them when it's sunny. Bruno's by the snow and Charlie the chilies. Come have fun with us and let's get silly. I love my family, I love all my pets. Come sing with us, it's as good as it gets. Hey there, did you enjoy singing with us? For more nursery rhymes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.